So, cabin filter air change on a Hyundai Tucson 2020. So you drop the glove box open, you'll find there are two knobs, one on either side. You can see that one. And there's a support bracket here. So basically, pop the support bracket off, which means pressing that top down and pushing it to the side, he says, like so. And then take these knobs out, half a turn, well not even half a turn, quarter of a turn on both sides. The glove compartment will drop down, the knobs will fall on the floor, and you can see the trap there, the trap door for the cabin air filter. Squeeze these two tabs inwards and open the trap, which then reveals the cabin air filter, which will just pull straight back, and then obviously the reverse to put the air filter back. So put the air filter back, or a new air filter back I should say. You get the one end of the door hooked back in there, that clips back into place. You then put your support bracket back onto the bottom here. Of the glove box, got that support arm back in place. You line up your two knobs here, and you have to close the door a little bit to get these back in place. It says that I'm trying to do this one-handed, of course. So get that raised high enough so that knob will go back in place. You won't go back in until you find that hole at the back, then you can get this knob in place. Do the same for the other side. Again, making sure you've got the hole at the back that it will line up into, and then you're done. Arm bracket, two knobs, done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell and subscribe for more videos. Thanks again. Bye for now.